25 members answered the first roll call. We have a quorum. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, before we proceed, some of us are not in the proper attire since we just filed our certificate of candidacies. I move that we suspend the rules.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to suspend the rules. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, and on item number 7, the reading and approval of the minutes of the regular session held on August 13, 2024, I move that we dispense with the reading of the said minutes.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the minutes of the regular session held on August 13, 2024. Is there any objection? Councilor Babilim.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Your Honor, kasi last time natandaan ko, pag sinabi natin suspension of the rule, suspended the rule, tinanong ko kung kasama uniform, wala akong sumagot sa akin. So gusto ko lang malaman, pag sinabi natin suspended the rules, kasama ho ba yung uniform? Maraming salamat po.
Your Honor, nakasaad po sa ating rules na meron po tayong proper session attire. Bago ko po nag-move po ako na isuspend ang rules, sinabi ko po yung dahilan ng aking motion para isuspend yung rules dahil lang iba po sa atin, katulad ko po ay hindi po naka-proper attire dahil po kapafile pa lang po natin ng certificate of candidacies. Kaya pagkatapos nagmadali po tayo pumunta rito para po matuloy po yung session. Sa tingin ko naman po, Your Honor, mas importante po na tayo nagtatrabaho kaysa po tayo po yung naka-proper attire. Thank you po, Your Honor.
Councilor Babilim.
Maraming salamat po. So gusto ko malaman, today lang or tuloy-tuloy ho na every time na session, pag sinabing suspended ang rules, is suspended ho ba ang uniform?
Your Honor, bago po ako mag-move to suspend, sinasabi ko po yung dahilan, katulad po ngayon, dahil hindi po naka-proper attire, kaya ako po binanggit as justification to move for the suspension of the rules. Minsan naman po, may mga importante po tayong tatalakayin na hindi po nakasaad sa agenda, katulad po ng barangay budget. Sinasabi ko po yun bago po ako mag-move to suspend. Palagi ko naman po sinasabi, Your Honor.
Councilor Babilim.
Maraming salamat, Your Honor. So, gusto ko lang ho malinawan. Today lang or permanently kapag nag-suspend sila ng rules, kasama uniform. Kasi pwede ho tayong gumawa ng rules na anytime gusto natin baguhin. Malinaw na malinaw, bago ma-suspend ang rules, it should be 3/4 or 2/3 of the whole council. Hindi ho manifesto lang ng isang tao na gusto kong baguhin ang rules, pwede. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, nakalagay po sa ating rules, majority po ng mga konsihal, pag pumayag, pwede po natin isuspend yung rules. In-amend po natin yan. Nakasaad po sa internal rules ang ating amendment. May copy po lahat ng konsihal. Your
Councilor
Honor,
Babilim.
So, ibig sabihin, dapat pagbotohan natin. Tama ho ba? Kasi majority So, pag simple majority, that should be 50% plus 1. So, pag sinabi natin 50% plus 1 at pumapayag, kailangan ho pagbotohan natin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Your Honor, upon my motion and then pag kayo po nag-rule at pag wala pong nag-object, it means that approve po yung motion, Your Honor.
Councilor Babilim.
So, ino-object ko. Sabi ni majority na kailangan may mag-object. So, ino-object ko. So, pag ino-object ko, mangyayari ngayon, it should be division of the House. Maraming salamat po.
Your Honor, pag isa lang po yung nag-object, hindi po kailangan i-divide yung House over the objection lang po nung nag-iisang konsihal.
Councilor Babilim.
Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko alam kung rules of practice or what. Pagkaintindi ko, pag may nag-object, it should be divided the House. Division of the House. Hindi ho po pwedeng, walang nag-object Wala nang division of the House With the objection of one councilor, hindi natin i-divide the House. Ang alam ko, hindi ho po pwede yun. Maraming salamat po.
1 minute recess declared by the Chair.
Your Honor, we have a pending motion for approval of the minutes of regular session held on August 13, 2024.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, we are on item number 8, business for the day. May I ask our secretary to read all items under item number 8, except those on the floor.
Sir Secretary?
Item number 2, a letter from a former Barangay Kagawad, Mr. Virgilio D. Diangson, relative to his complaint against Barangay Kagawad, Hari Reboldila Huarde of Barangay 713, Zone 78, District 5, Manila, for appropriate action as per basic papers.
I move we are the way to refer item number 2 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to refer item number 2 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Item number 3, a letter from Mr. Alfredo Asedero of Paco, Manila, relative to his complaint against Punong Barangay Arvin Bayot of Barangay 678, Zone 74, District 5, Manila, for appropriate action as per basic papers.
I move we honor the way to refer item number 3 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to refer item number 3 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, when on item number 1, draft resolution number 8608, I move that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle item number 1, draft resolution number 8608. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, on January 3, 2023, ordinance number 8925, entitled an ordinance declaring the Manila Clock Tower Museum as a tourist destination, placing it under the care and supervision of the DTCAM and providing admission fees thereof. The newly rehabilitated, renovated, and repurposed Manila Clock Tower Museum is envisioned to be a world-class institution, tourist attraction, and a showcase for the advocacy of arts and culture in the capital of the Philippines. The DTCAM drafted the implementing rules and regulations in relation to the implementation of Ordinance Number 8925, which places the Manila Clock Tower Museum under the care, maintenance, and supervision of the DTCAM, and shall cover persons who shall visit the Manila Clock Tower Museum for a fee, as well as those who will conduct exhibits and art gallery that will occupy the Artisan Center, workshop, and restoration room. With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor,
Councilor Babilim.
bago ho natin talakayin, meron na akong mga gustong tanungin ho dito sa clock tower nito. Tungkol ho sa clock tower nito.
Majority Floor Leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we open the period of discussion, debate.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Councilor Babilim.
Yeah, maraming salamat po. Your Honor, ang gusto ko lang ho malaman, kung sakasakali, magkano ho ang magiging fee ho nito?
Majority Floor Leader.
100 pesos po, Your Honor.
Okay. Your Honor, gumawa na ho sila ng IRR, tama ho ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nabigyan mo ho ba yung konseho ng IRR para mabribisa ng konsehong ito kung tama ang IRR nito o hindi?
Your Honor, nasa akin po ang copy ng IRR. Bibigyan po namin copy si Council Babilim.
Councilor Babi.
Yes, Your Honor. Siyempre, kailangan ho natin, bago ipasa isang batas, may IRR yan. Dapat makita natin, hindi yun nandito sa konsehong itong pagdadebatihan na natin, i-approve na natin, hindi natin nakita ang IRR. Sana ho, 24 hours before na magkaroon ng session, magkaroon ho tayo ng IRR.
Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, kami po humihingi ng paumanhin dahil napakapal po ng IRR. Ang naka-attach lang po sa ating agenda ay yung copy ng resolution. Your Honor, pwede po ba humingi ng 1-minute recess para mapag-aralan po ni Council Babilim yung ating nasabing IRR?
1 minute recess declared by the Chair.